Right. Now that's our lesson for today. Simple thing how to use a hook fist in Wing Chun. Now someone punching you like this, bam, bam, bam. This close gap, then you go like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Feel the distance, right? Go, go, go. Yeah. Right. So you get to this. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. 2. Hey. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Bam. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now get it. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right, this move together like this. 1, 2, right. Good. 1, 2, 3, higher. Now there's a room. Finish off this technique. Now this. Why? You are going to keep it. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it. Right. Again. 2, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3. Right. See the way that you should explore like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Follow this. Let me go. There. And there you go. Go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Right. This is the area of eating. Either the neck or this part. Okay. See you to the next lesson.